Want to know how to add your primary role to your profile in Well-Found? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your wellfound.com website. So once you have opened it up, you should be under this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, here on the leftmost side, you should be seeing profile. This should be right below home. So you can just simply select that. So make sure you are logged in to view this. So once everything is done and once you're on your profile, here right beside overview, you should also be seeing profile, just simply like that. And now once you're on your profile, scroll down and here you should be seeing your primary role. So just simply select your primary role right here, and then you can just simply search for it and choose any. So you can also select your years of experience just like this right here, and you're good to go. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. The settings should be automatically saved. Have a good day and see you in the next one.